Hello, maurieos! Basic 2D CAD Object Snap Settings. Hello, welcome to this video on Object Snap Settings, where I'm going to take you and have a look at some work on Object Snap settings. So let's just get my big head out of the way and let's crack on to it. So Object Snap Settings. So down here is, if you click on there, you'll see snap cursor to 2D reference points. And this is the object snap settings that we refer to. So what this means is if, say, for instance, you have a line, and I'll draw a line here, and perhaps let's just draw a circle here. Like so. All right, so it'll snap to various things if we want to get exact connections. So let's just have a look at the if we click on there, you can see these are the various options that we have: end point, midpoint, center, geometric center, node, quadrant, intersection, extension, insertion, perpendicular, tangent, nearest, apparent intersection, and parallel. So I'll turn off nearest, and as you can see, these toggle on, and there's node, which is for points, and these here show the various things. So say, for instance, we wanted to draw a line from the middle of this line here, from the midpoint. So we've got midpoint turned on, so that's all right. L for line, and we can just go, that's the midpoint there, the little green triangle. So we click on there, and obviously then we can go up to various points on there. So say, for instance, or we could just make that turn on the ortho mode and flick that up to there, and it's wanting to go around to there, which is perpendicular. I'm not quite sure why that is. So sometimes we have to turn our object snaps off and just go like that. So like so. So another way of snapping onto this one here, of course, I don't know that this is to do this here and then to do a trim, TR, enter, like so. Now another object snap that we have is we can draw a line from the center of the circle, but that's not showing up because I've got them turned off. So there's the center of the circle, and we can come out to there. I could maybe that'll be a right angle there, so we can snap to there, and so on. Apparent intersection, we can again do a line. Well, we could do a line from the midpoint of there to the intersection there, or the end of a line. So that's an end point. Okay, the intersections sort of come into play where you have lines in 3D space that don't actually, that sit above each other, like sit above each other rather than actually in the same plane. So we could do a line here, perhaps. Let's see if we went from here down to there, and you can see that's intersection there for that one, intersection of the circle and the thing there, line, enter. We could go from the midpoint of here and turn off the ortho. Now there is this option here that we can click in here and turn off nearest, which we sometimes can use, and so that'll give us all of the points on the circle. So that's any point on the circle, like so. So we might just want to make just any point on the circle like that there. So these are our object snap settings. Toggle them on and off. You'll see that you can toggle them on and off with the F3 as well. You'll see the little blue square down the bottom coming on and off, and these are all the things, object snap settings There's a little thing to click down here. Oh, that's just how it goes, like so. Oh, what's happening here? Something's happening. Not going. Oh, yes. I pushed the object snap settings, and that went. What that did is it went over onto my other screen. So this gives you quite a lot of different settings in a larger type scale. So this one here, so you can set snap and grid. So these can set other snaps, polar trapping, object snap, 3D object snap is another option, dynamic input, which is something that we'll be looking at these later on, and quick, what was that one? Quick properties. So these are drafting settings, selection, cycling, quick properties, dynamic input. So these can all be controlled from here. If we go OK, so if that's out of the bottom of here, object snap settings there, but this one's here. We can right click on here, and that'll give them as well. So that's well, a bit of an idea about object snap settings. So let's leave it all there, shall we? And cheers. See you.